Good morning, students. Today's topic is Vision 2020. Vision 2020, the right to sight. Global initiative launched by WHO and a task force of international non-governmental organizations to combat the gigantic problem of blindness in the world. It was launched in Geneva on February 18, 1999 by the Director General of WHO, Dr. Gro Hamel Brundtland. Globally, five conditions have been identified for immediate attention for achieving the goals of Vision 2020. They are cataract, trachoma, onchocerciasis, childhood blindness, refractive error, and low vision. Under this initiative, five basic strategies to combat blindness are disease prevention and control, training of personnel, strengthening the existing eye care infrastructure, use of appropriate and affordable technology, mobilization of resources. Cataract. Major cause of blindness in the world is cataract. An estimated 16 to 20 million people are bilaterally blind from cataract, and the number is increasing. Cataract surgical rate, a quantifiable measure of the delivery of cataract services. Number of cataract operations per million population per year. Meaningful to estimate only when there is ample information on all cataract surgery performed in a country, for example, including the private sector. Aim is elimination of cataract blindness. Trachoma, an estimated 146 million people have the active infection with the microorganism Chlamydia trachomatis for which antibiotic treatment is indicated. There are approximately 10.6 million adults with inturned eyelashes, trichiasis and tropion, for which eyelid surgery is needed to prevent blindness. An estimated 5.9 million adults are blind from corneal scarring due to trachoma. Trachoma is the second cause of blindness in sub-Saharan Africa, China, and the Middle Eastern countries. Trachoma is to be controlled through the implementation of SAFE strategy, integrated within primary health care in all communities identified as having blinding trachoma within a country. This includes the following: assessment to identify communities with blinding trachoma, delivery of community-based trichiasis surgery by trained paramedical staff. S for SAFE, antibiotic treatment for children with active disease. Promotion of facial cleanliness and environmental improvement, including personal hygiene, community sanitation as a part of primary health care. Onchocerciasis, an estimated 17 million people are infected with onchocerciasis. Approximately 0.3 to 0.6 million are blind from this disease. Endemic in 30 countries of Africa and occurs in a few foci in 6 Latin American countries and in Yemen. Aim is to eliminate blindness due to onchocerciasis. Childhood blindness, estimated 1.5 million blind children in the world, of whom 1 million live in Asia and 3 lakhs in Africa. Prevalence is 0.5 to 1 per 1,000 children aged 0 to 15 years. An estimated 5 lakh children going blind each year, 1 per minute. Many of these children die in childhood. It is estimated that childhood blindness causes 75 million blind years, second only to cataract. In vitamin A deficiency, aim is to achieve and sustain the elimination of blindness due to vitamin A deficiency. Surgically avoidable causes. Aim is to control blindness in children from cataract, glaucoma, and retinopathy of prematurity. Refractive errors and low vision. Spectacles are an essential part of the treatment of many eye patients. Their provision is therefore an integral part of eye care delivery. The steps in the provision of refraction services and low vision care for patients are as follows: screening and refraction. Screening is identification of individual with poor vision, which can be improved by spectacles or other optical devices. Refraction, evaluation of patient to determine what spectacles or device may be required. Manufacturing of spectacles or an appropriate device, both of which may be manufactured locally, purchased externally, or donated. Dispensing, issuing of the spectacles or devices, ensuring a good fit of the correct prescription. Then follow up. Human resource development at community level. Primary health care is a fundamental concept of WHO for improvement in health. All the elements of primary health care can contribute to the prevention of blindness. PHC worker, important role to play in the control of blindness. Identification. PHC workers are ideally placed to identify blind and visually disabled children and adults in their own home. Assessment and diagnosis. PHC workers can be taught to assess those individuals who could be helped by the services of a specialist. For example, identifying cataract for referral to an ophthalmologist. Referral for management and treatment. PHC workers can encourage individuals to go for treatment and can provide the referral system that will promote this. Follow up and evaluation. After treatment, the PHC worker can follow up the patient at home to help with visual rehabilitation. They give advice on any treatment and make sure that spectacles are available. Vision 2020, the right to sight in India. India was the first country in the world to launch the National Program for Control of Blindness in 1976 with the goal of reducing the prevalence of blindness. Of the total estimated 45 million blind person in the world, 7 million are in India. Current status, extent of the problem. Three major surveys have been conducted to find out the prevalence of blindness in the country. The first survey, undertaken by the ICMR in 1974, indicated a prevalence rate of 1.38% in the general population, that is visual acuity less than 6 by 60. Second survey, sponsored by Government of India, WHO, 1986 to 89, the prevalence rate increased to 1.49%. As per information available from various studies, estimated 12 million bilaterally blind persons are in India with visual acuity less than 6 by 60 in the better eye, of which nearly 7 million have visual acuity less than 3 by 60 in the better eye. Recent survey in 15 districts of country indicated 8.5% of population aged more than 50 years is blind. That is visual acuity less than 6 by 60. Achievements. All surveys indicated cataract as the single largest cause of blindness in India. Controlling cataract blindness is given priority in India. Funds were mobilized from World Bank during 1994 to 2002. Assistance was provided to 7 major states, estimated to contribute 70% of country's cataract. Decentralized approach. India is a vast country having 28 states and 7 union territories with 593 districts with an average population of nearly 2 million per district. The program implementation has been decentralized up to the district level where District Blindness Control Society have been set up as the nodal agencies. Member of DBCS includes officials from district administration, health, education and social welfare departments, media, community leaders and NGOs. These societies directly receive funds from the government. The concept is to establish a bottom up approach in dealing with blindness through multi sectoral and coordinated efforts. These societies are responsible for identifying blind in every village, organize diagnostic screening camps at suitable locations, arrange transportation of patients to the designated facilities, and ensure follow up. Quality of services. Substantial efforts have been made by discouraging outdoor surgical camps, emphasis on IOL implantation at institutional level, emphasizing follow up of operated cases, and greater coverage for women and underprivileged section of the society. The program is being implemented in collaboration with centers of excellence in the government and non government sectors, which have emerged as leading training and research institutions capable of taking a leadership role for shaping eye care program not only in India but in other countries as well. These institutions have excellent infrastructure, human resources, and patient volume required for imparting training and conducting research. There is close coordination, formal or informal, between these institutions in the country. Vision 2020, the right to sight, was launched in India on October uh, 13th October 2001 at Goa. A working group was constituted by the Government of India for preparing the plan of action and strategies on Vision 2020. The working group met at the target diseases identified for Vision 2020 in India includes cataract, childhood blindness, refractive error and low vision, corneal blindness, diabetic retinopathy, glaucoma, and trachoma. Human resource needs. There is a need to develop 2,000 service centers, each with 2 ophthalmic surgeons and 8 ophthalmic paramedics. 20,000 vision centers need to be developed, each with 1 ophthalmic assistant or equivalent. Eye care managers will be required at the service centers. Community eye health specialists will be required at the training centers. Objectives for the year 2002 to 2007. to improve the quantity and quality of cataract surgery, development of pediatric ophthalmology department in training centers and centers of excellence, to screen known diabetics for diabetic retinopathy in clinic, and to screen more than 35 years attending the clinic. Low vision services to be initiated at tertiary level with adequate linkages with secondary level and with primary care in a phased manner. Development of safe eye banks and networking of eye donation and training centers. Integration of primary eye care with primary health care throughout the country by training MO and OA and other paraprofessional staff. Eye care infrastructure that has 20 center of excellence, 200 training centers and 2000 service centers and 20,000 primary level vision centers. The infrastructure pyramid given above is based on the structure recommended by the WHO. Thank you.